Hey everyone, welcome to your energy meditation and oracle card reading. This is Lauren with the Clarity Cure. Welcome back. We're going to dive right in here, guys. I meditated, shuffled, laid out all the cards. 3 tarot, 3 chakra wisdom, and your overall energy, which is the sacred geometry card. Okay, and that's the most important card because this is the frequency, the vibration we want to tap into when we do the meditation to create the healing for you so you can move forward. Okay, bottom of the deck of the tarot, you have the 6 of Wands. So, congratulations. You will be reaching a milestone here. Perhaps this could be something in business. This could be starting a new job, reaching this next phase of a project. Okay, so very, very exciting. You can see the laurel wreath here. That's all about victory. Very, very nice. That's at the bottom of the deck. Your final outcome card, I'm working backwards, I don't know why here, but that's how it's coming out. Okay, you got the 8 of Pentacles. So this is learning a new craft, starting a new job, staying up late, working long hours, mastering your skills, working on your goal, having a plan. Where am I going? What am I doing? Getting better and better every day what I do. This could be education as well. Maybe some of you are going to have to take a workshop, learn a new skill. Doesn't have to be traditional school, but you get where I'm going, right? In your current position, you have the Star card. So this is hope and inspiration for your future. This is being exactly where you need to be and being comfortable with that. Okay? Sometimes we, want to put the cart before the horse or rush or push through, but this is being vulnerable. This is understanding that whatever difficulties you have, okay, like, because the tower even comes before the star, and that can indicate, your world crumbling or something went awry, right, in your journey up until this point. Your past position is the Hierophant, so I do feel this is business related. Perhaps you worked for a large organization and you left that life behind. This could also be having more faith, integrating your ideas into motion to expand upon what you need to bring into the world because you're growing, right? And a lot of times I guess we don't want to accept the growth process because you have fertility. This is your overall energy. Beautiful card. This is starting something new. Reminds me of the Empress card. Okay, so this energy invites you to be more open, more courageous, more creative than you might already be, okay? This is to find joy from where you were before. It activates the potential for something beautiful to grow from our consciousness into a new and grander expression of ourselves. So I feel what you have inside of you needs to come out. You need to birth this new idea, this new business venture, this new career or something. Need to shift. This is a major shift coming in. You have growth, okay, heart chakra. You have victim, heart chakra, and then you have instinct. This is your overall energy. So learning more to trust your instincts, again, integrating as you move through the process, this gut instinct, this intuition that you have, maybe accepting that you don't really know exactly where you are right now, but that's okay. Needing to honor the growth process, which could be frustrating because maybe you hit a bump in the road here, okay? Victim is about getting more grounded, okay? Giving something a chance to grow. Maybe being in denial about where you are as well, too. Feeling blocked, blaming others. Need to throw that out. We've had this energy for you before as well. So you're feeling blocked. You're in a place where it's difficult for you to grow or connect to this beautiful new energy coming in for you because you're maybe caught up and not seeing the forest for the trees here and following your own intuition and growing from this heart-centered space. Okay, connecting the dots of the creativity or this idea that you have to bring it forward. Maybe you've been always doing what's expected of you, and it's hard to break out of that. See, the Hierophant is about morals and values, too. Again, big focus of where we are right now in the world, you know. I couldn't understand this because I left corporate America, and I'm still adjusting. And it's been 3-4 years. So it's a process because we get so ingrained with how we present ourselves into the world and how we define who we are. But there is something brewing here. Something beautiful for you. And you just got to honor the process. You have to honor the process, right? And be kind to yourself and others as you go through this growth cycle. Being courageous, right? Just like the fertility card. Having the courage to break down any boundaries that could be just stopping you from manifesting and moving forward with this new idea as well, or this it's interesting because this is funny because see the card, this says emergency room, which I thought is kind of interesting. I always like to look at the depictions of the cards too because there's messages coming through. I feel like, yeah, this is definitely that struggle, and you want to take very good care of yourself right now, and your health is very, very important. Okay, denial with victim. Past resentments could be coming into play here and deluding yourself. But the potential for greatness is unbelievable. I mean, you have fertility, guys, giving birth to something new. So honor that within yourself. Okay, now with the instinct here, I see this full moon. We have a full moon on the 1st of September in Pisces. You know, I feel like if you do a full moon ritual, that this will help you connect to your intuition, because Pisces is all about connecting in that way to our inner soul, our inner being. And what else is coming through with the Hierophant? Checking in with your morals, your values, searching for more meaning in your life. Yeah, it's like you need to integrate and commit to yourself this new endeavor that you can do it too. Okay, it could be that simple for some of you where you're just being too hard on yourself, right? Maybe a little bit more education, a little bit more honoring of the growth cycle, taking better care of yourself. Maybe not even seeing that there is some kind of blockage here, but you're trying to push and push and push and move forward. But maybe it's, take a step back here. So let's jump into the energy meditation, because that will help us kind of release. Okay. Get comfortable, feet on the ground, or sit Indian style or lotus, whatever's most comfortable for you guys. All right, and we want to connect now to our bodies, right? So hands in prayer posture. Take a few deep breaths in and out. 2 and 3. All right, bring your mind to the center of your palms. Focus on what you might feel between your two palms. Do you feel any heat? Do you feel any tinglies? If not, that's okay. Just focus. Focus on your palms. Just focus on your two hands. If emotions come up, okay, or monkey mind, just acknowledge and say, okay, bye-bye. I see you. Thank you. And move on. So keep your focus in your palms. Okay. Don't let the thoughts distract you. Here. So I'm focusing in on my palms. I'm creating a body-mind connection so I can open my heart to begin this new journey through fertility and tap into this universal energy as such. Okay, so at this point in time, let's imagine that the universal energy is coming down from heaven, connecting through our crown chakra, our third eye, our throat chakra, our chest, our heart chakra, moving down to our solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, and then bringing that energy down into Mother Earth and ground yourself. Okay, so now connected to the energy line from the universal God energy, and keeping our focus now back at our palms. We want to slowly separate our palms, and please take note if you feel any connection to the energy. Okay, because we want to create an energy ball, but if you don't feel like your chi is moving, the inside energy of your body, then you can tap your fingertips. Tap, 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 tap. And rub. Rub. And back into prayer posture. Now slowly try again. See if you can feel the energy. We want to create this little beautiful energy ball for you. I'm going to put that energy ball in your chest. We're going to release any victim mentality. We want you to feel more connected to your soul, right? So you can follow your own gut instinct, your own intuition, so you can grow. Fertility. Ooh, baby. Feel free to take a breath in or out. Honor your body. Okay. All right. Go slow. I tend to go fast because I can feel the energy very quickly, but I want you guys to feel it. I want you to stay connected. If you lose the feeling, right, you can always go back. Okay. Rub and tap. Okay. All right. And then begin again. Okay, because remember, you're connected to the energy of the universe. We're building this energy ball of God energy, universal energy, to now bring into our bodies to heal, right? As we release stagnant energy that's clogging, that particular chakra. For you today or this week, it's all about the heart chakra and your overall. So we'll do some sweeping after, but for now, let's focus on your heart. So bring your palms facing your chest at this point in time. As you've cultivated the energy, I want you to bring that energy into your chest. I want you to take a few breaths in and a few breaths out. And a few breaths in, a few breaths out. And then focus. Just sit for a minute and see what you feel. Do you feel any heat in your chest? Do you feel any sensations across your back? Okay, we're opening up your heart chakra so you can invite in the frequency and the vibration of fertility. We want to be more open, okay, to our gifts so we can bring it into the world and move past any of these hurdles, okay, of being a victim or feeling like a victim or not good enough or needing to grow or, what's stopping us from taking a class or a workshop or expanding our career growth potential, or maybe what we've always wanted to do. Okay, but we're always stuck in the 9 to 5, okay? So sending energy to your chest to grow with this consciousness mind, into a grander expression of yourself, opening up your creativity. Okay, breathe in, Breathe out. What do you feel? Stay connected, focused on your chest, on your palms. Okay, if you don't feel anything, that's okay. We're setting the intention. The energy is here for you to cultivate and heal. Okay, so now let's do a little sweeping. We're going to bring our hands down from our chest. Okay, and we're going to gather the energy around us, this fresh new energy that came in. Okay, and we're going to bring it down through our crown, our third eye, our throat, our chest, our solar plexus, sacral, and root chakra. One more time. Bring your palms up, gathering the energy, bringing it down through your body. And third time's a charm, always in threes, guys. And bring the energy down. Okay. Hands down, but bring them back into prayer posture and bow. Namaste. All right, guys, how are you feeling? That was really awesome. I can feel the heat across my back, actually. Definitely my chest was opening. And the more you practice this energy meditation, the more you're going to open and heal, okay? Your body and what's coming through. I mean, not every reading may resonate for everybody, but I always believe somebody needs to hear what they need to hear. You will be victorious. Overcoming these hurdles, you know, getting more in touch with your intuition, starting something new, honoring that, thinking outside the box, opening your mind a little bit more, getting outside of this, you know, tunnel vision maybe from your past, and always thinking, you know, you got to do what's expected of you based on terms of other people, but now also being able to make sense of what it is you need to do because you're finding the solutions to now move forward. Honor where you are right now in the process, because this is huge. Okay, and this isn't always easy, right? Because we want to get it done like yesterday, right? But sometimes you just have to, you know, honor where you are and know you exactly where you need to be in the process. Okay, you're replenishing, you're refilling your reservoir, right, with energy. You see how he's pouring water in from the little lake here and pouring it out on the earth. This is like finding that balance. This is new truth coming after struggle. Okay, refilling your energy body. Also wish fulfillment too. So make a wish, okay, because this idea that you have will be successful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Because the star, I call it my wish fulfillment card, but it's the goal, it's the dream. Sometimes it's still far off, right? But you got to work for it, okay? You have to work for it. It's not going to be handed to you on a silver platter. So we can clear and open your heart so you can be open to what it's going to take to get to your success. Okay, really amazing, beautiful. I love this reading for you guys. Almost at 20 minutes, so I'm just going to probably end up putting this on YouTube. I do want to relax more when I offer these readings to you guys. I was sharing these and posting these on IGTV as well, so I'm going to direct them over here if they want to catch the energy readings. But I don't like feeling rushed, right? So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to build this little channel here on YouTube. It's nothing urgent, but I want to connect in a whole new way. My other channel, in case you don't know, is all tarot readings. By the way, I will have my September readings up this week. I am a little behind, so I will get there. I promise they'll be all uploaded before the 1st of September. Absolutely. Mwah. I love you guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.